We are about to do our aggressive anti-aging program. This is for those of us who have more fine lines, wrinkles, started later. We need something heavy, or even if you have more acne skin or just a thicker skin, oilier. So we're gonna start off with our hydrating cleanser. This will be a little more calming because we're being a little more aggressive. So just a little bit. Inside the mouth, and I'll rub this cleanser. Okay. I feel so good on this skin. Looks like it's so soft. Okay. Next, we are going to do our exfoliating polish. This is the blue one. I use this once or twice a week, just depending on how much my skin is turning over, how much product I need. So I just put a little piece as amount, and I'll put it a little bit and just rub it in circles. I especially go strong like around my nose. Anywhere I tend to have either drier skin or more clogged pores. And the texture is nice because you can go as aggressive as you want. You can work it onto the neck. I'm going to rinse that. I will add, if you're super sensitive or like peeling a lot, just feel chapped, might not be a good day to use your exfoliating polish. Let's do our Complexion Renewal Pads. And you just want to go over your skin just like this. You spread it back until it dries all the way down your neck. Don't waste that pad. Don't use it under your eyes if your eyes are really sensitive. I definitely get my nose really good because for some reason I never use it. Okay, then I'm going to use my Daily Power Defense. Just 1 pump to 2 pumps, just depending on how dry your skin is. In the winter, I usually will use 2 pumps, but it is all your antioxidants and just get into your skin good. If your skin is peeling up or like you feel like your products aren't laying right, then you might be using too much. Okay. Next, we are going to use our Renewal Creme. I only use this if I really need it. Like if my skin is really dry and just feels like it needs that extra moisture. And I'll use it on the places I usually need it the most. Especially in the winter. I seem to be a little more dry. Don't forget your neck and décolleté. Okay. Then you're going to finish with your Radical Night Repair. This is your retinol. It is strong, so don't be scared of it. All you need is a pump. That's it. It is strong. And I just put that on all the areas I want my skin to turn over. My forehead, in between my brows, my nose. I don't tend to use it too close under my eyes because my skin is a little thinner there and sensitive, but you know, you kind of see how you feel about that. You can always trial, and if it's too much, you can always stop. That's it. And you can get to bed with fresh, glowy skin and feel good.